is the good idea learning Spark first and then move on? What do you think? Yeah. Spark is, like I said, Spark, Elasticsearch, these are very popular tools, and for me, very interesting tools. And I personally love Spark. So yeah, but it's always a combination. Learn, because you need to look at this way. Let me just bring up the cookbook again. I need to look at it this way. If you're doing processing here in the middle here, zoom this here, and I thought about this a lot. So if you're here and you're in the processing framework stage where you have Spark and you can do stream and batch processing with Spark, then somewhere the data needs to come somewhere and needs to go somewhere. And for that, what you always need, and also not only in academia, but it's not like academia where you can run or where you can learn Spark. Data needs to come somewhere, maybe from a buffer below, or maybe from a store up there. So some storage or some buffer. It doesn't matter. It can come from a buffer. It can go into like Kafka. It can go into Kafka or Kinesis or whatever. And it can also go into a big data store or a SQL database or whatever. And so I would in Germany would say I would lean out the window. I would lean myself out of the window and would say, if you have one of the tools in these 3 stages here down, then you're set. Then you have a good chance of doing something in real life, because then you can build a simple pipeline. You get the data from somewhere, process it, put it somewhere, or get the data from somewhere, process it, put it somewhere. You get the idea? So, yeah,